Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're delving into a powerful tool called conditional formatting. This feature is indispensable for highlighting crucial data points within your spreadsheets. Let's explore its capabilities together. Step 1. Open Excel. To begin, launch Microsoft Excel on your computer. Step 2. Load or create your spreadsheet. Next, import your existing spreadsheet or craft a new one, populated with your data. Step 3. Select the data range. Select the specific range of cells you wish to format by clicking and dragging across the desired area. Step 4. Access Conditional Formatting menu. Navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon interface. In the Styles group, locate and click on the Conditional Formatting option. Step 5. Choose a rule type. Upon opening the drop-down menu, peruse a variety of rule types available, such as highlight cells rules, top/bottom rules, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Step 6. Configure the rule. Upon selecting a rule type, a dialog box will emerge, facilitating the configuration process. Establish the conditions or criteria for formatting and customize attributes such as font color, fill color, or icon style to suit your preferences. Step 7. Preview and apply the formatting. Preview the proposed formatting changes on your dataset. If necessary, make adjustments to refine the visual presentation. Once satisfied, click OK to implement the conditional formatting across the designated range of cells. Step 8. Manage conditional formatting rules. For further refinement, access the have it. Through the application of conditional formatting, you've imbued your Excel spreadsheet with enhanced clarity, enabling swift identification of trends and pivotal data points. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for additional insights and strategies in our ongoing exploration of Excel's capabilities.